Okay, let's start our turkey pepperoni sub off. We need to make a little sub sauce. So what you're going to want to do is 4 teaspoons of dried Italian seasoning in a bowl. And because we got to, stir it around, you see the little towel I put on there. And then salt and pepper to taste. No real set amount here for that. Just salt and pepper to taste. I like a lot of pepper, so, adjust it for your seasonings. Then we want 4 teaspoons of red wine vinegar. I put 1 in, but before I do that, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Then we'll add the rest of our red wine vinegar. Now you want to kind of mix this up first into kind of like a pasty consistency. Don't worry if some stuff's sticking to the edge of the bowl. And then you want to slowly drizzle in about 2/3 of a cup of olive oil, just a bit at a time. This is why you need to have that towel around. It keeps the bowl stable. All right, let's move on to the next step. Okay, so the rest of this is actually pretty fucking simple. These are some fresh-baked submarine sandwich rolls, to which we're going to add to the bottom of them some of that nice smoked turkey. This is a bacon-encrusted smoked turkey, but you use whatever turkey you like. Also, these sandwiches are a great way after Thanksgiving to get rid of that leftover turkey. Don't worry about it being in big chunks, because we're going to add some cheese. That'll melt, keep it right in place. This is an extra sharp cheddar cheese. And then to that, we're going to add just a little bit of pepperoni. And make sure it's real pepperoni. Fuck that turkey pepperoni, which tastes like absolute ass. My opinion. I apologize to anyone who actually likes turkey pepperoni. Anyway, put about 8 pepperonis on this. And then to top that off, we're going to add a second cheese. We're going to add a nice little bit of provolone. You can also use mozzarella. I just added provolone because it's got a little bit of a smoky flavor to it. I just thought it worked a little better in the sandwich. But mozzarella you can certainly add. Then you want to kind of make some indentations into the top portion of the sandwich. And then, of course, bacon, because everything is better with bacon. And then pop this into a preheated 400-degree oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so through the magic of cooking show editing, 10 minutes has passed and our sandwich is just about ready to get finished off. Remember that sub sauce we made way back at the beginning? Well, you want to drizzle a generous amount on the other half of the submarine sandwich, the one with the indented part. And then you want to take some nice shredded iceberg lettuce. And please use iceberg lettuce because other lettuces give you a weird flavor. It's just mine. For shit like this, iceberg works the best. And then this is optional, but I think this really has a nice flavor to it. Some sliced red onions. And that's it. A turkey pepperoni sub. Done.